Welcome to Standard 6, Term 3, Unit 2 Supplementary Reader brought to book. The story brought to book written by Madhumita Gupta. The story insists on the proper maintenance of school notebooks and bags. Let's see how the student maintains the books and how the books complain about the students to the Justice Mathematics. Welcome to the second part of the supplementary reader brought to book. In the second part, the first witness in this witness box person is Mr. Geography. Mr. Geography stood up shakily and went to the witness box. He was in a worse condition than Miss English. He had no cover. The contents page was hanging on its last threads, but the worst part were the maps. They had been filled in mercilessly with all the color in the paint box. Yes, prompted Justice Mathematics. My story is quite similar to Miss English. Mr. Geography said in a broken voice. See, how was a book? All my fellow brothers laugh at me whenever Magesh pulls me out of his bag. So everybody laughs at him. I especially envy my brother who belongs to Shobita. She has not only covered him neatly, her handling is so gentle that he always looks as if he has just stepped out of the bookseller's shops, and he added, she fills in her maps with a pencil. Yes, my brother who belongs to Shobita, the geography's brother who belongs to Shobita, he just covered with neatly. He has not covered, but her handling is very gentle and smooth, and he stepped into the bookseller shop. He brought the book from the bookseller shop, and he added he filled the map with a pencil, not in a color pencil. So it went on with all the books, copies, pencil book, and even the school bag complaining about Magesh's negligence. They looked battered at the worst of for Weir Justice Mathematics' face become dark when he heard that Magesh tore off pages from the copies to make paper planes. Magesh withered under his murderous look. Yes, Magesh tore off all the papers from the front copies and make paper planes on them. Mr. Pencilbox complained that Magesh never cleaned it. As a matter of fact, he had covered the court floor with the pencil shavings the moment he had stood up as a witness and accidentally opened himself. This was not at all. Magesh chewed him whenever he got stuck on answer, he chewed the pencil box. He pointed at his pock-marked body for everyone to see. See, how was the body of the pencil? It was chewed and a pock-marked body. The body was fully dissolved. The elderly and ponderous Mr. Schoolbag. Next is Mr. Schoolbag. The elderly and ponderous Mr. Schoolbag lumbered to the witness box with his broken straps. See the straps of the bag, it was broken. What does it mean by lumbered? Walked and moved. Ponderous means the elderly bag, but it was very ugly and it looks like a dull bag. And I might as well be a sack of cement. He began in a grave voice, as that is how I am treated. It looks like a sack of cement. It's treated like me a cement sack. Magesh never packs me the night before as all sensible children do. Yes, each and every children must pack the school bag in the night. But Magesh did not do that, but leaves it till the very last moment. And then naturally there isn't any time to do anything but cram everything in anyhow. Cram anything means he fully loaded in the bag. Immediately at the last moment he fully loaded in the bag. With the result, neither my friends inside nor I am happy. Neither my friends means neither the books. Books also not happy. They all tore up the pages, and I am also not happy. Mr. Schoolbag complained about the Magesh. Your Honor, piped a small voice. I also want to say something. Justice Mathematics looked carefully and found that voice belonged to a small notebook, much in the same condition as others. Yes, look at the small notebook. How was the condition? All right. The Justice Mathematics nodded his head. Please come to the witness box. Asked the notebook to come to the witness box. The young master notebook marched to the witness box and took the oath. Your Honor, it has become a regular practice, and I don't know how long I will be able to bear it. He stopped, all choked up. Do go on, prompted Justice Mathematics gently. The master notebook got hold over himself and continued. It started a few weeks back. Magesh was solving some problems in mathematics. One of them was torture them others, and he failed to solve it. Can you imagine how he vented in his anger? Well, he threw me against the wall. Yes, because of the anger of the Magesh, he threw me against the wall. A shock wave rent the courtroom and everybody started talking at once. Justice Mathematics went red with anger, and as he banged the hammer loudly, and you could see that he was wishing that the table were Magesh. Yes, the anger of the Justice Mathematics was fully about the Magesh, but he thought the wishing that the table were Magesh. Magesh, meanwhile, stared at his boots. Was he really that cruel? He felt really ashamed of himself. Yes, Magesh really ashamed of himself, felt really ashamed of himself. Magesh meanwhile stared at his boots. Was he really that cruel? Yes, he did everything is really cruel, and he felt really ashamed of himself. I instantly dislike some children who do not take proper care of their books, Justice Mathematics said in a serious voice, all the while eyeing Magesh sternly. Thanks for watching, children. Thank you.